believe this is the last flight for high power for the day. This is a certification flight for Jordan Jacob. So I-673, no, I'm sorry. H-135. Sorry, wrong day. H-135 with the Jolly Logic. Alright, is Jordan Jacob here?
Right here, John's my certifier.
Alright, so that's yes and yes. Alright, let's find the pad. So, P4. Last flight of the day. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, launch. Alright, so it's coming down.
Oh, there it is.
And very nice, there's the main. For all those people today who certified L1, L2, and L3, congratulations. Good job, and we'll see you here tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. Have a wonderful evening. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.